Today we're making the classic chicken adobo. I'm getting sick of seeing the same chicken recipe over and over. Chicken breast this, chicken breast that. Put it on the grill.
Sometimes I like chicken breast this, chicken breast that.
Why are chickens so funny?
Why?
Because...
In a large bowl, add 4 chicken drumsticks and 4 bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs.
In a large bowl, I'm gonna add 3 bone-in and skin-on chicken thighs and 3 radioactive chicken thighs.
You're gonna add 20 cloves of garlic. Oh yeah!
Peeling garlic has gotta be one of the most annoying tasks in the kitchen.
Add a small fresh crack of black pepper.
Some small fresh crack,
Then 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns.
whole black peppercorns,
3 tablespoons of palm sugar. The good stuff will come in pucks like this, and you can break those down by finely chopping with a knife or grating with a grater.
3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. The good stuff come in a bag. You can break it down by smacking it like this.
Then add 1 1/4 cup of unseasoned rice vinegar,
1 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar,
1/4 cup of dark soy sauce,
1/4 cup of dark soy sauce,
1/2 cup of regular soy sauce, ideally the Silver Swan brand,
1 cup of regular soy sauce that understands that it's okay to be an ugly duckling instead of a silver swan,
1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of filtered water,
1/2 cup of New York City tap water.
toss that nicely, and finally 4 bay leaves.
Toss that nicely.
For the record, you can skip the marination completely and it's still delicious. But of course, Papa still recommends overnight marination. Thank you.
I know Papa still recommends overnight marination. I just don't have the time to do it. Sorry.
Then get a large brazier or Dutch oven, heat that over medium-high,
Heat a large Dutch oven on medium-high.
then sear all of your chicken pieces. Please do that in batches, Papa no quis, if chicken on top of chicken while searing.
No chicken on top of chicken. So I'm just gonna put them right next to each other to get that Papa kiss.
Once all of your chicken is seared and out of the pan, literally just dump all of it out.
But there's so many peppercorns in there. Should I strain it?
Don't do it. Just
The whole peppercorns are my favorite part.
message callende.
Reduce to a simmer, cover with a lid, and cook for 35 minutes. Then
Bring it to a simmer and cover for 35.
uncover that bad boy, carefully turn your chicken pieces, cover again, and cook for 25 to 35 more minutes
Once time is up, uncover, turn all the chicken, and then again for 25.
until your chicken is beautifully tender and the liquid thickens to a stunning glaze.
The glaze looks a bit watery, so I'm gonna crank up the heat and get it stunning.
Something about it touches deep within the reaches of human carnal desire. The exposed bone, the amber luxurious sauce, the aromatics caramelizing away.
Something about this touches deep within the reaches of my existence. The vinegar smell in the air, the sun setting as the glaze bubbles away. I realized that I just spent my only day off this week on 6 pieces of chicken.
A nice mound of rice,
A nice mound of rice. You already know I'm gonna shake it.
nice job, team.
followed by 1 to 2 pieces of chicken per person,
My roommate's here today, so I'm gonna grab the biggest piece for myself before he sees us.
then spoon on as much or as little of the sauce. On top, I like to get nasty with it.
I usually like to get nasty with it too, but I didn't expect the chicken to try to get nasty with me. Usually a little bit of hair wouldn't turn me off, but this time I just can't put my mouth on it. Alright, I'm gonna put this piece back for my roommate and grab 2 smaller pieces. Now we can get nasty with the glaze. Top it off with scallion and sesame seeds. It actually looks really nice. I am very happy with the result, and I cannot wait to taste it.
Living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic.
That was an extremely satisfying bite. The chicken is tender and juicy, the sauce has deep savory flavors and bright acidity, which makes it really hard to stop eating. Highly recommend this adobo dish. Next time I'll keep the peppercorns in it. Alright, thank you.